Welcome to Session 20. Graph transformations describe how equations shift, stretch, compress, and reflect a parent graph. Today we focus on the rules that SAT questions love, especially horizontal direction. Changes outside the function affect outputs. Adding k shifts the graph up, multiplying by a stretches or compresses vertically, and a negative multiplier reflects across the x-axis. Horizontal transformations happen inside the input. That is why x minus h shifts right h, and x plus h shifts left h. This inside-out direction is a common SAT trap. Vertex form makes transformations visible. 3 times x minus 1 squared plus 4 shifts the parent parabola right 1, stretches vertically by 3, and moves it up 4. To trace a point, move it with the graph. For f of x minus 3 plus 4, every point moves right 3 and up 4. The point 2, 5 becomes 5, 9. For combined transformations, first decide whether each change is inside the input or outside the function. Inside changes affect x values. Outside changes affect y values. Your turn. Describe g of x equals the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 4 compared with y equals x squared. Pause and read the inside and outside moves. The x minus 3 inside the square shifts the graph right 3. The plus 4 outside shifts it up 4, so the vertex moves to 3, 4. Session 20 recap. Outside changes affect outputs, while inside changes affect inputs. X minus h shifts right h. A negative outside the function reflects over the x-axis. Trace points by moving their coordinates with the graph.